Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your BMW X6. First, take a moment to get comfortable. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to your liking. Next, familiarize yourself with the iDrive system. It controls navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Finally, explore the different driving modes like Comfort, Sport, and Eco Pro to understand how they alter the vehicle's performance and feel. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The BMW X6 offers many advanced features to enhance your drive. Make use of the head-up display to keep crucial information, like your speed and navigation directions, right in your line of sight. For tricky parking spots, the parking assistant can guide you in with ease. On longer journeys, adaptive cruise control helps maintain a consistent speed and safe following distance, reducing driver fatigue. These tools make driving more convenient and safer. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, for those long drives or just relaxing at home, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, making those waiting times fly by. You can find a link to it and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. The BMW X6 is known for its impressive performance and handling. Feel the power of its engine by gradually accelerating to understand its responsiveness. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability, whether you're on dry pavement or navigating challenging weather. Also, take time to understand the vehicle's dimensions and turning radius. This knowledge will help you maneuver confidently, even in crowded urban environments or tight parking lots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.